This is my pallet take them apart tool. Works really good. Handle is 1 inch square tubing, 1/8 inch thick. Handle's 4 feet long. The end is cut at a 45-degree angle. It's a 1/2 inch thick material. Total 6 inches wide, and got 2 inches on the left, 2 inches space in the middle, and then 2 inches on the right. And it works like the boss. Let's see if we can get this here. Shove it in there nice and deep, and give it a little pry. Like so. In the end, just put it in the corner and give it once. But doing this one-handed is a little tough. There we go. And that's how that's done.